So I'm out here tinkering with the Samurai, and what better time to tell you guys about something I've been thinking about for a while now. It's a new idea to help get even more content out to you guys, and really just a lot more feedback from you guys too. So stay tuned to check this out. Oh. What is up, guys? I'm Kyle at Fortune Off-Road. Since starting this channel, I have had a ton of people that are really faithful subscribers. They watch pretty much every video I put out. They're liking them, they're commenting on them, they're sharing them. They're hitting me up on Instagram or in the comments asking questions, and it's awesome. It's what makes doing this so much fun. But I realized that for some people, they wanted more. Some of you guys are just like me. I'm obsessed with this kind of stuff. I just think about trucks all day. I just want to go four-wheeling all the time. And I'm constantly looking for things to work on and improve, and the list is endless. One of the problems with making content like this is you kind of have to get down to something very specific, and you have to go kind of chronologically through everything you're doing, and there's a lot of stuff happening in the background that you guys don't get to see. So one way I filled everyone in on that was through Instagram and TikTok and making some videos and some stories on there. But I think for a lot of people like me, it just wasn't enough. I wanted to get more stuff out there for you guys, and I definitely wanted some more behind the scenes stuff for you guys to check out. YouTube has a way to incentivize creators to make those changes, and they call it memberships. So on our channel, I have 2 tiers of membership that are brand new and ready for you guys. So the first tier of membership is called Skeleton Key, and what it does is it allows you to get more of that behind the scenes stuff and give some perks to you for joining our channel, and it really is just becoming a part of our channel instead of just a viewer. After you get signed up, there's a little join button on the channel there. There's 2 tiers. The first one is called Skeleton Key, and once you join, you are a member of that tier, and it just opens up a bunch of things for you to do as far as our channel and getting more involved with all of our content. So the first thing, and one of the most fun things I think, is you get a new badge next to your name. So if you're gonna comment down there, or you're in the community tab and you're checking out what I'm doing or conversing with the other people in there, you get a little skull icon next to your name. And the cool thing is they change automatically depending on how long you've been a member. So they start out as the Money Eyes skull logo, except the eyes are hearts and they're blue. And then as you go on, the longer you're a member of the channel, it just starts to change from blue to green, and eventually ends up yellow with the $sign. Just kind of find a way to track how long you've been a part of the team over here. And then we get into the real perks. So the biggest one for this tier, I think, is the photos and status update. So in the community tab, there's some stuff that's gonna be posted there that's only gonna be visible to the tier 1 members in Skeleton Key. And that stuff's a lot of fun. So like I said, I think about this stuff all the time. I'm just like constantly thinking of little things to do, big changes to make. I'm always amassing these parts in the background, or getting new tools, or new tips. And the guys at work are like, yeah, it's cool, but we don't wanna hear about it all day. I need a place to put all of my ideas and stuff, and this community tab is gonna be perfect for that. So every time I get new parts, I'll be posting some updates on there, polls in there, pictures, videos. And one really cool part is just a lot of interaction with you guys. So the next perk is called Priority Comment Response, which is pretty cool. So for those of you that do comment on the videos, your comments go right to the top, and those are the ones I hit first. So if you have a question that's maybe time sensitive, or you're just really curious about something you want to know sooner, relay some information quicker, those are the comments that are going to get hit first. And I'm usually pretty quick about those anyways, but that part is pretty cool. And then the last part, connecting on social media. So a lot of that's gonna be just a lot of direct response in the community tab. And if you have any questions on build, or like specifics, measurements, torque settings, anything that you wanna talk about, that's a good place to knock that stuff out. So all of those things are really cool that come with that tier. I just think it's gonna be fun to share a lot of that information And I've already started putting a bunch of stuff in the community tab that's visible only to members. So that way, if you join now, you'll actually get to see all the stuff that I've already put in there. So that's the first tier, that's called Skeleton Key. And if you want to take it one step further, there's a second tier called Master Key. And that includes all of the same stuff from the first tier and adds on a couple new perks. So one of the biggest things with Master Key is you get to see the videos as soon as they're published, as soon as they're done processing on YouTube, they're ready to view. So I usually schedule all of those videos so they don't come out till Sunday morning. That way, you know, it just seems to be the best time for all of my viewers to go on there and watch those videos. But if you are at a Master Key level, as soon as I upload that video, it's ready for you to check out. So that's kind of cool. You can do it on your schedule. You can be one of the first people to see that. Just being a member of that tier, I'm going to send out stickers, t-shirts, coffee mugs, anything that I've got in my merch store. I'm just gonna put it in a randomizer and I'm just gonna select one person in this tier and I'm gonna grab your address and send some stuff your way. If you're the only person in this tier, you're gonna get something every month. There's a perk right there for you to sign up. And lastly, in this one, this is gonna be one that gets a lot of shout outs on my Instagram and, you know, maybe any videos if it's like directly related to what I'm doing. So it's just another way to connect. Both these tiers do have a price that goes with them. A Skeleton Key is $4.99 and Master Key is $7.99. Definitely do not feel obligated to join either one of those. This is totally optional, and I just feel like it's a better way to connect with you guys and for you guys to get more of the information you want, especially those of you that have a sickness like me and we cannot stop thinking about these things. It's a good way to do that. The coolest part is either tier, whatever proceeds come from that are going directly back into the trucks, camera gear, anything to do with the channel. So it's just gonna make the channel that much better. I'm excited about it. If you guys have any questions about it, definitely let me know. Like I said, I'm gonna start dumping a bunch of stuff in there. I've already been updating the community tab a lot, and if you guys wanna be a part of this team, we'd love to have you. If it's not for you, keep doing what you're doing. We love having you guys watch our videos. We love interacting with you guys on social media and YouTube and all of that. So thank you for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one.